In today's video, I'll teach you how to get Hungry Jack's coupon codes. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Now you'll be able to find various vouchers in Hungry Jack's website itself. So for that, what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now type in hungryjacks.com.au/vouchers. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Hungry Jacks. In this interface, you'll be able to find various deals. You can enjoy these deals in the Hungry Jacks itself, but the better deals are in the application. So for that, what you can do is click on this option, launch app, that you can see on the screen. In the Hungry Jacks application, you'll be able to find better deals. But if you want more coupon codes, you can also visit other websites which offer you the coupon codes of various stores. For that, what you have to do is go to new tab. Now simply type in Hungry Jacks coupon codes. Press enter. Now you'll be able to see various results over here. You'll be able to find the link provided by various websites. You can simply click on any link of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on the link provided by Coupon Nation. Now in this website, you can see over here, you'll be able to find various deals. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like $5 only, $5.75 only, etc. What you have to do is simply find the deal that you like the best. After you do that, click on this option, see deal, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be redirected to the new tab. Now you'll be able to see the coupon code over here. If the code is not needed, you'll be able to find no code needed. But if there is a coupon code, you'll be able to see the coupon code over here. So like this, you'll be able to find the Hungry Jack's coupon code. So that is how you find Hungry Jack's coupon codes. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.